Hi guys, it's Angie. I decided to create this little Facebook page because we were all on Facebook, and I know that as busy moms, we don't always have a lot of time to do the research on where to find products that are cheaper for our families. So, and I know a few of you are really passionate about this and have made spreadsheets, Brenda Scott, and are really good about looking online for deals, Julie Rasmussen. And I have benefited so much from your wisdom and from you sharing your little tidbits of knowledge. And I'm super thankful to Julie Edmonds for having an Azure Dropbox to her house, and for all the goat cheese that I get from Christy Nifong. And so, anyway, I just thought that I would bring us all together and in a really kind of fun way. And I was hoping that you guys would be into using this page as a way for us to share deals that we find, or when you notice that something special is on sale at Azure and it makes it cheaper than buying it somewhere else. Or if you know, for example, that coconut oil is actually cheaper at Mountain Rose Herbs than it is at Azure, or certain things like that. Whatever it is that you have just discovered recently, if you could post it to this page for the rest of us to benefit from, that would be awesome. For me personally, I don't have the time, and I'm sure that you're all with me, to run around from store to store figuring out what is the cheapest and where it is. So I figured if we put all our minds together whenever we have the opportunity to sit down at the computer, which is totally different hours of the day from one another, and we post our knowledge and we share thoughts with each other, then maybe we can all benefit in helping one another to be more frugal in our homes. So this is a closed group just because I am really wanting it to be more local. I don't want a bunch of people posting stuff that's like in California and Georgia, and yeah, so that's kind of not where I was going with this. But if you want to add other friends that you know would benefit from this, or if other friends that you know have really good knowledge about this kind of stuff, please add them to the group, because then we can all just benefit from that. And so yeah, I hope you guys participate. Bye!